Hello everyone and welcome to Project Caterpillar game using Python Turtle. In this project, we are going to build an exciting Caterpillar game using Python and the Turtle library. We can use any Python environment like Visual Studio Code, Atom, Jupyter Notebook, or even the terminal to create this game. The main library required for this project is Turtle, which is a powerful and beginner-friendly Python library used for graphics, animation, and game development. We will begin the project by creating the two main game objects, which are the caterpillar and the leaf. After designing these objects, we will work on different game variables such as caterpillar size, movement speed, score system, and the game starting setup. Then, we will make the caterpillar move continuously on the screen while the user controls only its direction using the keyboard arrow keys. The caterpillar will keep moving automatically, making the gameplay more interactive and fun. As the caterpillar eats more and more leaves, its size will increase and its speed will also become faster. This will gradually increase the difficulty level of the game and make it more interesting for the player. We will also create logic to randomly change the position of the leaf whenever the caterpillar eats it. Along with this, we will make sure the caterpillar does not move outside the screen boundaries. In this project, we will create multiple functions to handle movement, collision detection, score updates, speed increase, and boundary checking. We will also learn about the turtle screen and turtle objects. The turtle screen works as the game window, while turtle objects control movement, colors, positions, text display, and score updates. By combining all these concepts together, we will build a complete Caterpillar game step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Thank you.